around 5 p.m. after school, bro.
Around 5 p.m., I usually take a shower and have a snack. How about you?
Yes, I change my clothes and help my mom in the last night. How do you eat after school?
I often eat fried bananas or instant noodle. Do you have your mom cook dinner?
Yes, sometimes I cut vegetable or prepare rice. Do you do homework after eating?
Yes, usually from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. How long does your homework take?
About 1 hour. Do you study alone or with friends?
Mostly alone, but sometimes I call a friend. Do you like studying in your bedroom?
Yes, it's quiet there. What do you do after homework?
I watch television or play games until 8 p.m. Do you watch television too?
Sometimes, but I prefer reading novel. What game do you play?
I like football games on my phone. Do you read every night?
Almost every night. Do you ever read before sleeping?
Really? Because I usually feel sleepy. What time do you sleep?